Welcome to our 24-hour challenge. We're going to camp in the wood, make food, and we have no experience. Doing 24 hours in the woodland with very little experience. The only things we know is what we've caught off the outdoor boys. We haven't even got a tent, and it's going to rain tonight, but we are going to do some good cooking. We're having steak and skeleton wraps.
Can't wait.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday, no.
We've come a long way. That's one steep hill.
I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.
We need to think about setting up because it's going to get dark really quickly. And if it starts raining again, we need somewhere dry to sleep.
Tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no.
We're reasonably happy with our spot we found, which is just here. We'll leave our bags, just have a little scout about, see if we can find anything useful. Okay, let's do it. Surviving at the dimmest. So we've got tons of dead wood around that we can use to build our den. We've just started. It's a must. So up to now we've built two little dens. That's one sleeping place there, and then Connor's sleeping place. You can't really see it, but there's a bit of a, yeah, it's curved. Be lovely to sleep in. I'm going to keep a kit all sort of here so it's a bit more higher, and then we're going to have a little fire somewhere here so we're both up from the fire. So we're making a firewall, a wall out of wood that will reflect the heat back at us.
You've got to think.
So we're almost set camp. Connor's sorting his bed out. My bed's pretty much sorted. Might be some creatures in that bushy stuff, so I might move that in a minute. This will be a nicer dry area to keep my kit. And we're going to light a little fire just down there. Hopefully the logs are going to retain a bit of the heat throughout the night.
Is it worth finding if there's a stream anywhere at some point?
You want a little snack? I just fancy a Scotch egg. Scotch eggs consumed. We packed our gear up and headed down the hill to see if we could find any water source. I'll try out our water purification tablets.
Let's hope they work.
I hope we don't get poisoned. I feel pretty sad about leaving our den behind for a little bit. It's looking pretty cool. Yes, we found like a mud bog in the middle of nowhere. It's a little bit where the animals have been walking in it to get a drink. Don't think we'll be drinking that as a water source. That's why a lot of the trees don't do so well, because there's no soil, it's just bedrock around here. I would say no one's walked this route for a very long time. There's no paths or anything. We followed our nose, heading downhill, and I reckon in that gap there might be water. I was right, we found some bottom of the hill and it was orange. Loads of bits in it, probably not the best thing to be drinking, so we had another little scout about. Yeah, we're using a Ziploc bag to transport a bit of water back. Our two little bottles didn't seem enough, and it was a hell of a trek to get back to the camp. Looks right. I'm not sure about drinking this.
Well, we've also got a Coke for afterwards that will help kill all the bacteria if there is anything in it. So these tablets take roughly 30 minutes to sort water out for us, and we're just on the way back.
That was a long ass walk. I don't know. It was long and I'm tired, I'm sweating. Because it's down that hill, which is steep, down another hill, which is steep, and then all the way back up. But we collected 2 litres of water. We're going to try our tablets out, see how good they are. It's very good. I'm going to start gathering some firewood now, ready for dinner. Connor's just trying the water that we've treated. Chuck it here, I'll go try it.
It tastes just like water.
This is the first. We've never ever used these tablets. We've never ever done this before. So, here's to the reaction.
What's it look like?
The tablet ain't dissolved.
Hasn't it?
No.
Well, it's been more than long enough.
Oh dear, you're gonna have stomach ache in the morning. Yeah, it has really.
I'm going to say it's been in there 45 minutes and it's supposed to be in 30.
Oh, it smells like Milton. Actually tastes pretty good.
Yeah,
It's a little bit orange.
tastes fine.
It does, doesn't it? It's really nice. It's filtered by the mountains. I'm going to get our fire lit. So we're doing half hog. We're doing flint with one, but we are using a fire starter. It's lit. Smoke issues go straight up there into my bed. It's not going to be nice sleeping in the smoke tonight. It's lovely, it's getting very, very hot. Warming that stone up in this lot, so this will sort of reflect the heat for the night. It's important you set the fire lower than where you're sleeping so the heat can rise to where you are. No, I'm not preparing to take off. I did nearly fall over.
Warming my bum.
Connor's never had Stilton before, so we're going to try that.
That's just pretty.
Different, creamy. Wait till you have it on steak. You'll be crying with happiness. Right, see how well this works.
I knew that was going to happen. No, I knew you'd get so much stuff in here. I just shake it and push it in the air.
And you're out here learning survival skills with me. I'm barely surviving myself.
Yeah, but now I've got doughy hands. So bread making is going absolutely amazing.
Look what happened to the honey pot.
Oh no! It's going to be black. Oh yeah, straight into the. Okay. Oh my.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. People are tuning in to watch people who know how to camp. We've forgot the oil. We've forgot everything. And so it's like possible to do stuff.
I thought you were going to drop it. We'll replace with that. Sorry, I'm just getting all the dough off my hand.
Why have you got dough on your hand?
No.
Bread, steak, Stilton. I'm just melting a bit of Stilton to drizzle over mine because Connor doesn't like it like that. That is awesome. Yeah, but your steak and Stilton good? There's no wind, there's no birds, there's nothing. There's no sound apart from what's in this whole forest. Apart from that siren, we heard a siren. Temperature's dropping now, it's getting really cold, so it might be time to batten down the hatches for the night. Time for bed? Or not yet? Maybe soon we do bed. But for now we're just happy, we're both super toasty in our sleeping bags. Just hope it doesn't rain because our shelter it only comes to here. No, I can touch that log. So, rain here. That's at my waist. Good morning. It's a bit of rain last night, but we both slept very well. Kind of continued with the fire throughout the night, kept stoking it and sorting it out. Keeping it going, ready for breakfast. It's horrible and cold getting out of a sleeping bag and getting going again. Fire's stoking up. How are you feeling, Connor?
Cold.
You're cold.
Cold.
Might hang me the sleeping bag cover up over that branch and let it dry for a bit before we pack up. I'll have some pancakes for breakfast.
Like a pancake.
Right. So the pancakes didn't turn out flat. More scrambled pancake. Scrambled pancake and honey butter. Any good, Connor?
It's actually really nice. It's amazing.
It doesn't look very appetising, but I think it'd be quite tasty. I think a lot of the cooking would have turned out better if I had remembered to bring some oil with us for cooking. We enjoyed the breakfast, had a bit of a chit chat, and decided it was time to empty the camp. So we brought all our belongings outside, packed up our bags, and then started dismantling the shelter that we had built. It didn't keep us dry at night, but it did keep the wind off our back, and it seemed to retain the heat from the fire really well. I must stress, we are absolute amateurs at this. We went to the Army Naval store, we bought a sleeping bag each, a sleeping bag cover, and a couple of tarpaulins and a bag, and decided just to give it a go. We've never done this before, but we will definitely be giving it another go. We both really enjoyed ourselves. We're going to try the Scottish Highlands and maybe go for a few nights and possibly camp somewhere with some amazing views and sights. Like I say, this was not a one-off. I'm going to give it another go. We loved it. Don't think it's something I would do on my own. I'd always like to bring my brother along with me. It's been nice spending time with him. So this was home for the last 24 hours. We've dismantled. We're going to wait with the fire a little bit until it's completely gone out. Maybe dump some water on it. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, made it back to civilization. Any calico. We're both looking a bit tired, but we've enjoyed ourselves.
It's been great.
Enjoyed it.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Next time we need more water.
Yeah, definitely need more water, but it's a learning curve. You know, we've never ever done this before. We've never ever wild camped. I've only camped on campsites with the kids with a massive tent and everything I've ever needed. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that one. If you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. You might not be able to do that anymore.
Why not?
Because if you've got kids on your channel, it stops comments. We've got kids on the channel, so it may have stopped that. But a like and a subscribe would be massively appreciated, and we'll catch you on the next one.